So let's get into this. What does it mean to identify? So we already talked about the importance of it. What are you identifying? You're identifying the assets, the risk assessments, and continuous improvement. Asset management is one of the first things that comes to mind when I think about identifying your inventory. That means hardware inventory, software, and data inventory. Data inventory, I mean, the other two are kind of self-explanatory, but data inventory becomes really important if you have different classifications of data, because you want to know if you have top secret information that is separate from your unclass, separate from your all different levels, making sure that all of those things are being taken care of. And I see you guys' questions here popping up. I'm going to go ahead and do this for the next 20 minutes. I'm going to be teaching this CSF, and I'll get to your questions in a moment after I go through this.